Nikisema harambe unasema two term. Nikisema harambe unasema kazi bila break. So guys, let me give you some Nakuru weekly updates. So this week we have been blessed to have the President of Kenya, President William Samoei Ruto, who was our chief guest this week. The President had toured this county for 3 days. The President started on Monday, this Monday, and his journey ended yesterday. And we have seen a lot of work the President is doing. The President has given us a lot of goodies here in Nakuru, especially affordable housing, roads, the tarmacking of roads, the last mile connectivity. I cannot also forget about our health. Yesterday, President visited our biggest facility here in Nakuru, that's other than PGH, where President commissioned the CT scan. Now our people of Nakuru, on issue of health, our President has really covered us. So on behalf of the people of Nakuru, I would like to say thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Mr. President, for your tour in this county. We have seen a lot of things, and you have promised us things, and you have already launched a lot of things. So on behalf of the resident of Nakuru, I would like to say thank you so much, sir, and welcome back to Nakuru County. From Nakuru County, God bless Nakuru County. God bless Kenya. My name is Samuel County. Thank you all.